Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Abby.
And we're at Sezzle HQ this spring to help refresh your life without breaking the bank. This month, we're going to be focusing on a home office refresh.
Redoing your home can be crazy expensive, but we're going to show you how big of an impact even a small budget can have.
That's right, we're going to focus on 3 different budgets: $200, $400, and $600.
Let's make this happen.
Hey, Rishi.
Hey guys, come on in.
Thanks.
Hi, my name is Rishi. I am from Ranchi, India. I work at Sezzle and I have been working at Sezzle since 7.5 years as a software engineer. So I actually went to a college in India and I went to study computer science and I taught programming to myself. I was very much involved in competitive programming and I also figured that if I can do this, then I can come out of mediocrity and learn and get a good career out of programming. So in the last 3 years, big things have happened in my life. I got married and bought a house and we got a baby. It was a lot of money to spend and now I'm out of money. So working from home, I think it was a big change because in general, I really like people. I really like that, and that's why working from home is so nice. The only thing with working here in the house is I work in a dining table and my office. I have an office, but there's nothing really there. Currently, the room is like it's really bad. I think like if you see the walls, I tell it like this: if you go to the room, you just see nothing. You just see 2 tables, one of them with computer and the other with a gaming machine. But that's it. There's nothing in the wall.
Thanks for having us, Rishi.
Yeah, thanks for coming in.
I'm excited for this challenge.
Super excited. I know some tight budgets, but I think we can really get it to the way you want it, dude.
Yeah.
Let's see the space.
Okay.
Let's go. Go ahead.
So I know you want us to refresh this space, but what exactly are you looking for?
So I come into the room and then I work there and I play games here, but that's it. I also want to just work and like just read books also, and also just make it look like it's mine.
Anything else, in terms of just the struggles that you've been finding with working from home and what you hope that this home office can bring you from working from home?
Just the motivation is a big one. Coming here, it doesn't look like it's mine. It just looks like some kid from the previous owner, and I'm just there with my table. I think like if it looks like what I want and what I am like with my hobbies and stuff, that would be like I would be here all the time.
Yeah. So more you, more purpose.
Yeah.
And just a place that you can kind of get work done, but also have fun. So like with this chair, this is your gaming chair. This has to stay, correct? This is something that you really want, you love, okay.
Yeah.
This is a good space. We can totally, I think, make this happen.
Any sort of colors that you hate?
This is kind of like a den for me. The other rooms I like white more, but this one would be nice to have some dark layers somewhere that would make it look really.
Oh yeah, I'm already envisioning it right now. Yeah, moody man cave. Yeah.
I noticed you have these little cars. Are these something you'd like to keep in the space and display, or what? Tell me more about these.
I really like Formula One, as you can see the whole setup. So I found these. So I want them somewhere here.
Okay.
Yeah, I just put it here, but yeah.
So I think, without further doubt, let's just start cleaning this junk out of here.
Okay.
Step 1, clean it up.
Yeah, let's go. All right.
Sweet.
Well done. Everything's looking awesome. This room looks so much bigger.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. All right, let's go back to the office and get designs done.
Sweet, let's go.
All right. you doing?
Good.
Cool, you wanna talk Rishi's room?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool, what are your thoughts so far?
It's looking super good now that it's cleaned out. There's so much potential.
Yeah, it's looking like just a lot bigger. It's
Blank
looking,
canvas.
Yeah, blank canvas. What are your thoughts right now? Like, where do you think we should start?
I feel like we need to decide on what's going into the $200 budget. Because that's where we need to start. So maybe like with paint.
Yeah, I think paint's gonna be the first step for sure. I think, and we cannot not do a desk. I think we gotta do a desk.
Okay. So paint and a desk is probably gonna be most of our $200 budget.
Yeah. I feel like it's gonna be really hard to find a desk that is within our budget, but remember we can use Sezzle for our bigger ticket items.
That's true, I love that. That's part of our budgeting.
Yeah, yeah. And then you said for $400, what are you thinking for that?
$400, a rug, and then we talked about maybe some shelves to put some of his cool like F1 things on.
Yeah, that'd be great. Maybe some books, he loves reading. And think that will also just kind of tie everything in a little bit more. Maybe bring in some warmth, considering I think we're gonna probably go with more of a darker paint color.
There was like a little bit of a challenge with the different like wood tones going on in the room, so we'll have to see how that all plays into it.
But I have been hearing about, you know, mixing woods and mixing metals. I feel like that's become less of a taboo thing now. And also it kind of helps us with our budget too. So if we see like, you know, a wood shelf that maybe isn't quite the same wood as, you know, the trim, but it's in our price point and we like the way it looks, let's go for it.
Yeah, and then as we get into the $600 budget, maybe there's room for a chair so we can read in there.
That would be great. Yeah, I know of a place actually that we could stop at that has a lot of really awesome used furniture that are like untouched and they're really high quality.
Okay, good, because like I feel like $200 could be more than, like just one chair is $200.
I know.
So we need to find something that's on a good deal.
Yeah.
Because I know we also talked about maybe a wood feature wall.
Yeah, I really want to do this thing. So I've been seeing it on Instagram a lot where they do this kind of wood slatted feature. I feel like it's really kind of on trend right now. And I was thinking, I'm like, man, I feel like we could do that for pretty cheap. You could actually go to some of those like home improvement stores and get the wood cut there. So you don't even have to have tools.
And then also at home improvement stores, I've heard that you can get like returned paint that's like mismatched colors. That like the color wasn't exactly right for them, but they didn't use the paint.
That's awesome.
And so you can get it on a deal. So hopefully, if we're not too picky about colors, we can find a good discount paint too.
Yeah.
So we have a little extra wiggle room in the budget.
Yeah, that would be great. I feel like I know, you know, he's looking for something a little bit moodier, something a little bit dark. So fingers crossed they have something in that realm.
Do you want to go right now to get paint?
Yeah, I mean, let's go right now. Why waste a minute?
Okay.
All right.
I'm just so excited to get this paint. Like I need to go right now.
All right, let's go. Whose car are we taking?
I'll drive. Next time on Sezzle's Spring Refresh Home Office Edition.
Where's your guys' used paint?
And I also like this one.
Abby, come here. Sit.
Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episode.